The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Beltrami County, eastern Pennington County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:08 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located near Goodridge, or 16 miles east of Thief River Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goodridge, Mavie, High Landing, and western Red Lake Nation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. For north central and northwestern Minnesota,